Maybe this is an obstacle. You're expecting I am to be a separate object outside and you want to be the subject of that object. That's not how you're going to see it. Stop expecting it to be an individual entity. It is simply that sense of suddenly I am, from the sense of being nothing in deep sleep. So this is also a higher level Advaitin obstacle where you start objectifying everything in knowledge. Yeah, you're expecting. You don't know this in words. Ekta is just articulating it for you right now. But the way you are expecting that you're going to see some darkness somewhere else, a dark screen, which is deep sleep, and out of that an I come up. No, you have a wrong expectation. You don't even know you have this expectation. So you'll have to really go deep down and recognize, do I recognize the sense of I first here in the waking? Do you recognize it? And do you recognize this I sense is not there in the deep sleep? Yes. There are moments when it's switched off. That's it. Now I have to recognize that point where suddenly this I sense is there. That's all. You're not going to see it as an object out there. It's a very subtle thing. You don't even know you have this obstacle. You create it at the time of the waker lying down to sleep. If at that moment you have not separated yourself out from the waker, you will not be able to see the I come out of deep sleep. At the moment the waker lies down, there should be a clarity. I am the witness of the waker. That recognition should be there, not just intellectual words. You work on that. Oh, I'm getting stuck in words. No. Do I see it? Seeing that I am separate from the waker that is lying down. Okay? Seeing myself separate, not intellectualizing it. Okay? So recognize that if the starting point is wrong, the entire Swapna Nidra Jnana Sadhana will go wrong. The first point I always say that is the most essential. The starting point is essential. It's like saying, I started the car, but I don't know why I didn't move out. I started the car. I know I started. I pressed the start button. Most important thing, the car needs to get out of its gear and start moving ahead. The brakes need to be removed. The gear needs to be changed. It needs to come into its driving mode. The driving mode does not happen with words that I do not sleep. I do not sleep is just you trying to press that automatic ignition button. Now you don't even have those cars where you put a key and you turn it in. You have those buttons. No. You say, I press that button. No. Just saying to yourself mechanically that I am the witness of the waker and not the waker mechanically will not work. Do you really see it at that moment? You don't need to say it at all. Yeah, and then allowing that to seep through while the waker transitions out of the waking and disappears. The wave needs to disappear. You're not allowing that much time, that much effort. It's an effort. Initially, there is an effort. Unbraking and changing the gears of the car is an effort. Once it comes into the driving mode, then it's very easy. Then it drives on its own. Do you see this? But the first effort of the gear changing, the brake coming off, that needs to be applied. Yeah. And start with an I don't know. I don't know enough. I always assume I know a lot. That is my problem. And that's where you'll cut off the intellectual barrier.